Friends, I'm Sidramappa Mallikar, working as a Assistant Professor of Commerce at Sri Early Sidlingappa Pasappa Government First Grade College, Sunkal Bidri. Today, I'm going to discuss about capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is a process of evaluating and selecting a long term investment which maximizes the investor's wealth. So, here we are going to evaluate the so many project proposals. We have to select the best one that has to maximize the investor's wealth or shareholders' wealth. The ultimate goal of the financial management is to maximize the investors wealth, so that is called capital budgeting. So what is done is in capital budgeting, so capital budgeting is a estimating post-tax incremental cash flows for each projects that helps to evaluate project proposals. You can select the best proposal that maximizes the investors wealth. So that is also returns expected by the all stakeholders of the business concern. So this is relating to what is done in capital budgeting. So now we have to discuss about capital budgeting process. So capital budgeting is will start with planning. Planning is nothing but identifying the potential opportunities. So every potential opportunities has its own merits. So we have to evaluate those merits in the second step. That is, the second step is evaluation. Evaluation of the potential opportunities, the merits of potential opportunities. Here we are going to determine the proposals as well as cash flows from each proposals. ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋಸ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋಸಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು use the appraisal techniques for evaluating of proposals or projects by using simple or complex techniques of capital budgeting. So for example, simple technique payback period or complex discounting cash flows. One has to make use of these techniques, capital budgeting techniques, to arrive at best decisions. So this is the second step in capital budgeting. Third one is, so one has to study the individual projects to identify the risk and return out of those projects, and to select the best one that maximizes the investors wealth. So once a project selected, you have to funding for implementation of that project. So that is the fourth step involved in capital budgeting process. Next one is control. So one has to control over the project. So through progress monitoring by reviewing the progress report as well as performance reports. So if you do progress report to ಮತ್ತು performance report ಮೂಲಕ, so he has to control over the project. So last step in capital budgeting. So once a project has terminated, okay, review the success and failures. Okay, so I have to understand the success and failures of the projects. So these are the process in capital budgeting, so or capital budgeting process. So next things we should understand that is relating to the capital budgeting. So here capital budgeting means budgeting for the capital assets. So here, so capital assets concerning involve the two things. One is revenue, which is relating to the or generated to the from the those capital assets, as well as expenditure we are going to invest in that capital assets. So by considering revenue as well as expenditure, we are going to identify the cash flows. So that helps to identify the to so ನಮಗೆ to identify the viability of the project or evaluate the viability of the project. So viability of the project ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, so whether to accept the project or reject the project. So ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so basis by using the capital budgeting techniques, we are going to identify the viability of the project. Viability of the project means whether to accept the project or reject the project. So now we are going to discuss about the capital budgeting tools. Capital budgeting techniques are available to appraisal of investment proposals. So there are two types of capital budgeting techniques. So first one is non-discounting techniques or traditional techniques. So first one is payback period. So second one is accounting rate of return. So or average rate of returns. So ARR. So next second one in capital budgeting tools, modern techniques or discounting techniques or time value of money techniques. So ಇದನ್ನು ಮೂರು ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ modern techniques, discounting payback period. So second one is net present value, NPV. So third one is profitability index, that is PI. So next one is internal rate of returns, so that is IRR. So last one is modified internal rate of return. So these are the modern techniques of capital budgeting.